Hello everyone. Are you looking to buy games without buying a console? Cloud gaming lets you stream your favorite titles right to your phone, tablet, or old laptop. Today we're comparing three big names: Amazon Luna, GeForce Now, and Xbox Game Pass. Let's talk money. Amazon Luna costs $10 a month through Luna Plus, but Prime members get some free games too. GeForce Now has a free tier with ads, or you can pay $10 for performance or $20 for Ultimate. Starting in 2026, you're limited to 100 hours per month. Xbox Game Pass Ultimate is the most expensive at $30 per month, but it includes tons of extras like Fortnite Crew and cloud gaming. Xbox Game Pass wins with over 300 games, including new releases on day one. You get everything from Call of Duty to indie hits. GeForce now lets you play games you already own on Steam or Epic Game Store, giving you access to over 1,800 titles, but you need to buy them first. Luna has the smallest library at around 100 games, focusing on family-friendly and retro titles. GeForce Now delivers the best graphics with 4K streaming and up to 240 frames per second on the Ultimate tier. It uses powerful servers with graphics cards similar to the latest gaming computers. Luna and Xbox both stream at 1080p and 60 frames per second, which works fine for most people, but GeForce Now is the winner for most competitive gamers who want the smoothest experience. All three work on phones, tablets, computers, and smart TVs. So, which one should you pick? Choose Xbox Game Pass if you want the biggest library and day one releases. Pick GeForce Now if you already own games on Steam and want the best graphics. Go with Luna if you're a Prime member looking for simple casual gaming on a budget. Each service has its own strengths, so pick the one that matches how you play. That's it for today. Drop a comment with which one you prefer and why. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming videos, and I'll see you in the next one.